Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or already dabbling in crypto, this video is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to earn, invest, and potentially profit in the world of crypto. First things first, what is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Think of cryptography as a super secure way to protect transactions and control the creation of new units of a particular cryptocurrency. The most well-known cryptocurrency, the one that really put crypto on the map, is Bitcoin. It was created back in 2009 and has since become a household name. But here's the thing, Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and purposes. Some, like Ethereum, are designed for more than just transactions. They act as platforms for decentralized applications. Understanding the differences between these cryptocurrencies is key to making informed investment decisions. So, you're interested in dipping your toes into the world of crypto, but you're not sure where to begin. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people are curious about how to get started with earning cryptocurrency. There are multiple ways to earn cryptocurrency, each with its own set of advantages and challenges. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most popular methods that you can start using today. First up, we have crypto mining. This is one of the oldest and most well-known methods of earning cryptocurrency. This is how new cryptocurrency coins are created and transactions are verified on the blockchain. Think of it like digital gold mining, where instead of digging through dirt, you're solving complex algorithms. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems which require a lot of computational power. And in return for their efforts, they get rewarded with cryptocurrency, which can be quite lucrative. However, mining can be quite expensive and technically demanding, especially for beginners. The cost of electricity and specialized hardware can add up quickly. You need specialized hardware and a lot of electricity to be competitive. Next, we have staking, which is a bit more accessible. By holding certain cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet, you can stake them and earn rewards for helping to validate transactions on the blockchain. This method is less resource-intensive than mining. It's like earning interest on your cryptocurrency savings account, making it a great option for those who prefer a more passive approach. Another popular method is through airdrops. These are free distributions of new tokens to early adopters. New projects often distribute free tokens to early adopters to create buzz and build a community around their cryptocurrency. It's a win-win for both the project and the users. Keep an eye out for these opportunities, as they can be a great way to get started with a small amount of capital and minimal risk. And of course, you can always earn cryptocurrency the old-fashioned way, by working for it. Many freelancers and remote workers are now accepting cryptocurrency as payment. Many companies, especially in the tech industry, are now offering salaries or partial salaries in cryptocurrency. This can be a great way to accumulate crypto while doing what you love. Now let's talk about how to invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in crypto can be incredibly rewarding, offering the potential for significant returns, but it's crucial to remember that it's not without risks. The market can be unpredictable and prices can change rapidly. The crypto market is known for its volatility, meaning prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods. This can be both an opportunity and a challenge for investors, but don't let that scare you away. With the right knowledge and approach, you can navigate these fluctuations and potentially come out ahead. It's all about being informed and prepared. The first step is to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. This platform will be your gateway to the crypto world. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your cryptocurrencies. Make sure the exchange you choose supports the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Do your research and choose an exchange that is secure, user-friendly, and offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Look for reviews and feedback from other users. Once you've chosen an exchange and funded your account, it's time to start building your crypto portfolio. Diversification is key here. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. This can help mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is a long-term game. Patience and persistence are essential. Focus on projects you believe in and have the potential for real-world adoption. This can make your investment journey more rewarding and meaningful. Now let's talk about how to maximize your profits in the crypto market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these tips can help you navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. While there are no guarantees in the world of investing, there are strategies you can implement to increase your chances of success. It's all about being informed and making calculated decisions. One of the most important things is to do your research. Dive deep into the projects you're interested in and understand their fundamentals. Don't just blindly follow the hype or listen to what others are saying. Media can often exaggerate trends, leading to impulsive decisions. Take the time to understand the technology, the team behind it, and the potential real-world applications of the cryptocurrencies you're considering investing in. This knowledge can provide a solid foundation for your investment choices. Knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Staying updated with the latest information can give you a competitive edge. Next, it's crucial to have a solid risk management strategy in place. This means being prepared for both gains and losses. Determine your risk tolerance and set clear entry and exit points for your investments. Having a plan can help you stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading. Don't be afraid to take profits when you're happy with your returns, and don't be afraid to cut your losses if an investment isn't working out. It's all part of the learning process. Stay informed about market trends and news. The crypto market is highly dynamic, and staying updated can help you make timely decisions. The crypto space is constantly evolving, with new developments and regulations emerging all the time. Keeping an eye on these changes can help you anticipate market movements. Being aware of upcoming events, such as major exchange listings or technological upgrades, can give you an edge. These events can significantly impact the value of cryptocurrencies. And finally, don't be afraid to seek advice from experienced crypto investors or financial advisors. Their insights can provide valuable guidance and help you avoid common pitfalls. Cryptocurrency has undoubtedly changed the financial world forever, offering immense opportunities for those willing to learn and take calculated risks. But it's crucial to remember that with great rewards come great risks. Before you dive headfirst into the world of crypto, it's essential to be aware of the potential downsides and approach it with a healthy dose of caution. Be wary of scams. Unfortunately, the crypto space is rife with scams and fraudulent schemes designed to take advantage of unsuspecting investors. Be skeptical of get-rich-quick schemes, promises of guaranteed returns, and unsolicited investment advice. Always do your own research, verify information from multiple sources, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Another thing to be mindful of is the volatility of the crypto market. Don't let fear or greed dictate your investment decisions. Have a solid plan, stick to your strategy, and be prepared for the inevitable ups and downs of the market. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. And let me know in the comments below. What's your favorite cryptocurrency and why? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring and investing.